La música de Harry Fraud.
Invest in what I feel inside. Flipping sugar, baking that awaken city power lines. Cooktop in the roof and tops for my many loaves. Plenty dishes, a line for this kitchen, and some I never saw before. I saw teeth through briskets that kiss when my lips taste fixed with a rich glaze. Licks when I misplaced, just to showcase for my first feature mixtape. It feels great. Dressing formally, my gentleman will follow me. The code is tampered in vain and flowing through our blood. I'm in the carriage, love. My horses carry my throne. One of my chariots, I keep the rest inside my home. This life is fantasy, I'd rather keep my dreams alive. My mother told me there are limits or you can't survive. My name is business, my word is all I got. And I also got some bitches, don't get me wrong, I leave that as a pastime. Day to day, lighting up my flashlight. Pray to Neptune, I get my cash advance. That's a hint to hold your hands together for the main event. Made to subsidize the lands, find an enterprise to make you wanna try again to die. Being an ornament to die, being a warning meant to die. Being a woman's man, I'm just saying, boo-boo-loo, chew the gum, boo-boo, and the only one cut. I could use the words, fuck what you think I'm worth. Love for this law of mine, rules what I want to have. No time for being sad, fuck what I never had. Glad for the ones I have, never had to give your time. For the ones that make you mad, but love is just too deep in us. You'll never see us doing bad. See me flow, sing along to what I rap to feel what you ain't have before. Good enough is never right, never right what you don't feel inside. Level-headed partners what you need so you can keep your temper right. Never right, a mistake is the thing I like, not the ones I've seen before. That's like double crossing hoes instead of doubling the hoes. And no amount of time can define what they think of you, and no amount of rhymes can rewind what they think is true. Just be you, we're not allowed to fly, but we're allowed to die. But what if that's a lie? Cause I lie on the sky where two worlds collide, so I'm way too fly. Remember kid, the biggest sin is to hate your own skin. Be a king, and if you can't, then try again. Drive alone, and now alone the car you're in. Not alone, but close enough to solve the shit you're in. I guess I was a bitch, so don't be a fucking dick. The only shit you need to be one is when you're inside of your bitch. Take a small cut and put the rest away. I stuff it in my treasure chest. I got a switchblade, but I'd rather grab the butcher's knife and help be damned. Cause my grab, I mean fuck his wife, fuck his wife, fuck his wife, and fuck his wife.
Ooh. Ah, shit. That's pretty cold-blooded, man.